VM3, weight covers are pulled back. Let's take a look for inspection. Weighs are in good shape there. We got good weighs here. You can really get a bird's eye view on this. Let's come around this end. Come on. Weighs good here. Weight covers back for inspection. 5-axis wired. 5-axis rotary currently sitting on this fixture plate. Cast iron feet. Another notch here by design. Matches the notch in the fixture plate. End work, more travel. It's great. Let's see what we can do here. Power up, restart. We gotta get these door switches. Oh man. Door's always open. We got the door switches rigged up as do most people. They're ready. Alright, power up, restart. Oh, still open. Pause. Power up, restart. Spindle probe. Tool probe. Chip auger. 12,000 RPM. Mold machine ball screw. Twice as fine as the rest. The VM series is twice as fine. 5-axis sits this way. Weighs. Another look at the weighs over here. Nice and greased, oiled, clean, good weighs. Spindle. 2,500. $5,000. $12,000. That's right, now it's up. X-axis. Y-axis. A-axis. B-axis. ATC forward. Safe tool change position. Off spindle probe. Tool 1. Pause. Call up the spindle probe. Take a look inside. Wireless eye. Weight covers in fine shape back here. A nice machine, boys. Kill it.